Hey, what's poppin'? Jordan Thomas here. Today we're going to be unboxing the Red Komodo 6K. First and foremost, this packaging is nice. And I've already ripped off the plastic, but you've got the red logo there. You've got Komodo, little pull tab for opening it up. You've got a skull logo there. Komodo again on the back. All right, let's see what's inside the box. Oh, now this is fancy. Let's see, get started, register your Komodo, download Komodo operation guide. Yep, definitely need to download the Red control. I'm digging the fact that the camera sits right in the middle. It's almost as if Red was like, let's get straight down to business, focus on the most important thing, which is the camera. This thing is tiny, 4 inches by 4 inches. It basically really is a cube. On this side, you've got the case. This is for where your lens cap is, the sensor. Got the red digital cinema there, Komodo 6K. On this side, you've got an exhaust. I imagine this is where the fan is coming through. Mic jack as well as a headphone jack. You've got a light to indicate there's a CFast card in there. This is the door for the card. You've got the area for the 2 batteries that can sit there. Those are going to be the Canon 955 or 975 battery. You've got a eject button here as well to get that out of there. You got an SDI, DC in, and then you've got an on-off as well as a wireless antenna, and of course the record button. Another exhaust area here. And then of course you've got this little screen. Now this screen is actually going to be pretty clutch because typically Red Cinema cameras don't have a screen on there. And so you'll see that it is a square. So I'm curious whether or not the screen will be a square in terms of the display as well. You've got some additional quarter 20 mounts for attaching all types of adapters. And then you've got physical buttons, which I'm also a big fan of. Recognizing that this also is touchscreen, but I like that you have physical buttons so that you can do your thing. On the bottom, you got the area for you to be able to connect to your various different kick plates, tripods, so a quarter 20 as well as 3/8 16. All right, what else do we have in the case? Let's start with this side here. All right, so after recording performance, please make sure your camera firmware is up to date and always format, secure, erase the media in your camera before using. That's just good practice. You've got a DC brick here. You've got the very key RF to EF mount. This is extremely helpful, particularly if you already have EF lenses, which I have a bunch of them. We've got additional paperwork. This is for registering the adapter. Also for the adapter. I think it's interesting they gave you so much paperwork for the adapter. And there's 0 paperwork in here as far as manual for the camera, because they probably want you to download it. And then you've got the other piece of the cable. So let's get this plugged up and powered on. This is part 1 of an overall series as I get familiar with the Red Komodo 6K. Let me know questions I can answer for you in the comments. In the next video, I should have some test footage available. And if you want to get a preview of what that test footage will be about, check out one of these 2 videos. I'll talk to you next time. Jordan Thomas, peace.